Here's how to remove the password, PIN, or pattern from your Samsung phone. Now, if you lock your Samsung phone and go to unlock it, you'll be able to see here, I need to enter in my PIN to unlock it. So we can always remove that, or if you have a pattern or whatever. So what we're going to do to remove it is swipe up and tap on the Settings app. From the Settings app, just scroll down. And you're looking for where it says lock screen and AOD, or it might just say lock screen. And then tap on lock screen or screen lock and biometrics, and you'll need to enter in your current PIN, which I'll just do right now. Now, all we need to do to remove it is instead of choosing one of these, just choose the none option at the bottom. You'll be able to see just like that, I can lock my phone and then unlock it, and it just opens right up. Now, take a second and leave your feedback in the comment below. Let me know, was this helpful for you, or are you still having issues with your Android phone? Thanks, guys.